Hello guys, I am Shubham from Shubham Tutorials. This video is about new COVID variant. Okay, all about this variant, what we know so far. So let's get started with the video. So we know that this has emerged in South Africa, right? It is known as initially B1.1.529 and now it is known as Omicron or Omicron. Anything you can say. What is special? Okay, what is special about this variant? So WHO has stated that this variant of concern. Okay, variant of concern. Why so? Because it is having the high number of mutations. Okay, high number of mutations and especially in the spike protein. Okay, high number of mutations. What is the number? More than 30. Okay, more than 30 mutations are there in the spike protein. Spike protein. And we know that spike protein is the protein that through which it gains entry into the body, right? We have already seen the structure of this, right? See, this is the structure, and then it gets attached to the receptor here and gains entry to the human cell. We know that, right? The exact structure I will show you in this video, the later part of the video. It get attached here like this. So this is the receptor, okay? And then this receptor then fuses inside like this, right? Okay. To know in detail, you can watch my previous videos. Right? I will mention here, and also in the end, I will attach the playlist. If you are interested, then you can watch those videos, how immunity works, how this infection occurs in much details, right? So what happens due to these mutations, high number of mutations, we can see changes in the structure, right? Means greater than 30 mutations, right? Okay. So it is known as super mutant because it is having high number of mutations till date. And thus it has become the variant of concern because it is having high transmission, high transmission and high infection because there are mutations in the spike protein. Okay, so we can see high transmission and high infection due to changes in the spike protein, which is important for the entry into the human cell. Okay, so basically what we can do, same, we want to follow the precautions, right, which are already known, also known as COVID appropriate behaviors. Okay, In COVID appropriate behaviors, it comes, see, first of all, vaccine. Majority of the persons should get vaccinated. If you haven't taken it, please take. Okay, if this is the population and all are vaccinated here in this population, then the chances of safe and survival are more. Okay, so be you want to take vaccine and stay safe, right? Majority of the person should get vaccinated, and those who are not vaccinated are at risk, especially. Okay, these black dots are non-vaccinated people. So these are less. Now most are vaccinated, and but there are non-vaccinated people also. So my appeal is that take vaccine and stay safe. Okay, you can decrease the hospitalizations and deaths by this vaccination. Okay, severity can be decreased. So everybody should take vaccine, and the rest measures are masking, then sanitizing. Okay, sanitizing means hand hygiene. Okay, then what we can say, proper ventilation. This is also very important. Proper ventilation. Okay, and rest is keep your immunity strong. Do watch my videos to know more about how immunity works, how immunity can be enhanced, right? So that is all we can do. Okay, see, this you have been previously seen. These are the spike proteins. You can see the extensions, right? And these are highly mutated in the new variant. See this, all this. These are the proteins, spike proteins, through which it gains entry into the cell. One more picture I will show about entry here. See, this is the receptor here. Okay, ACE2 receptor. When it attaches to the receptor, it protrudes to the inside of the cell like this. Okay, inside, and thus it enters into the cell. Then replication occurs, formation occurs, and again releases to infect others. Okay, so this is what we know till now, and lot of studies, research is going on because this is a new variant. Everyone have to take care, follow the precautions. This all behavior have to be followed. Okay, and that's only the thing we can do by preventing ourselves as well as our society. Got it? So that's it for this video. If you like it, please share it and subscribe to the channel, as well as if you are interested and want to learn more about how infection occurs, how immunity works, then what is treatment done. So those videos you can watch. I will add here playlist. So that's it.